Hey guys, just back from the store a little bit ago, and I thought I would do a pocket dump because I hadn't done one in a little bit. So I had the Hinder XM24 with me today, the Omega Seamaster Professional Diver 300, the Okluma flashlight, ZT titanium pen, Tri-Hold wallet, the key fob and house key, my Victorinox with my backup light, and my Marine Corps Challenge coin. That's it. Pretty quick daily carry is, pretty much the general stuff I carry, so I thought I would share. And let me know what you carry in your pocket on a typical day. Thanks, guys.